Assalamu alaikum. May Almighty's blessings be upon all of you. Today I'm going to show you how to make restaurant style Shahi Paneer. As the name suggests, this is a royal paneer or cottage's recipe. Shahi Paneer gravy or sauce is onion and cashew based, rich, creamy and aromatic. Paneer is wrapped in rich, creamy gravy with aromatic spices. So let's get started. Savorous and rich Shahi Paneer. I have taken salt around 2 teaspoons, or you can adjust according to your taste. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, half a cup of cream, fresh cream I have taken, cashews around 10 to 12, I have soaked them in hot water. Then I have taken 1 black cardamom, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 bay leaf, 3 dried red chilies, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Then I have taken a teaspoon of cumin seeds, few cloves, few black pepper and 4 to 5 green cardamoms. Then 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of curd, and I have taken ghee. If you don't have ghee, you can take oil also. A cup of milk, and I have taken ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon. We didn't use water in this, we used milk for gravy. And I have taken paneer or cottage cheese. Here you can see I have made these cubes. This is around 400 grams. And then I have taken onions and tomatoes. I have taken 3 tomatoes and around 4 onions, and we have to grind them to a paste. And kasuri methi around 1 tablespoon or dry fenugreek leaves. I start with grinding onions to a paste. Here you can see. Same I'll do with tomatoes, but with tomatoes I am adding dried chilies also. So here you can see this is the tomato paste and red chilies, dried red chilies. Then this is the onion paste, and these are the cashews that I had soaked in water. I made a paste out of these. Up ghee. If you are not using ghee, you can use oil also, but ghee gives a very good taste. Then I'm adding all the whole spices. We'll saute them. Here you can see cumin seeds, black cardamom, green cardamom, cinnamon stick, bay leaf. Once they are sauteed properly, I'll be adding onion paste to them. Give it a good mix and fry it till it's fried properly. Here you can see it will take around 15 to 20 minutes on medium flame. It's getting fried. I'll add ginger garlic paste. Here you can see. Then I'll give it a good mix till the onions change its color. They will turn slightly brownish. Now here the onions are fried properly. At this stage I'll be adding cashew paste. I'll give it a good mix, and at this stage only I'll be adding turmeric powder and red chili powder. Kashmiri red chili powder lends a very beautiful color to this gravy. Because of the cream and milk, it tends to be yellowish, but because of Kashmiri red chili powder, it gives a very good color to the gravy. Here the flame is medium to high, and I will let this cook for a minute. Then I'll be adding spices, turmeric powder and red chili powder. And flame we have to keep medium only, and we will let it fry for a while. So we will be adding all the ingredients one by one, and all the ingredients we will wait for them to fry, then we'll be adding the other. So here you can see now again ghee is visible. So at this stage I'll be adding tomato paste, tomato and red dried chilies. So here you can see. Again I'll wait for them to get fried. Ghee will be visible on the sides. I will cover it and let it fry for a while. Then after around 10 minutes I'll check on it. Here you can see ghee is again visible. At this stage I'll be adding curd, and I'll be adding coriander powder. While adding curd, we have to keep stirring it for 2-3 minutes, and here I have kept high flame so that the curd doesn't curdle. So here you can see I have kept high flame, and I'll keep stirring it for 1 to 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes till it gets boiled and it doesn't curdle then. Then here I am adding salt. Salt you can adjust according to your taste, and sometimes paneer or cottage cheese is also salty, so you need to be careful with that. Again I will cover it and wait for it to get fried properly. So here you can see now again ghee is visible on the surface. Now I'll be adding fresh cream. Here I have kept medium flame and I'll give it a good mix. We are not adding any water for the gravy, we'll be adding milk. That's why it's shahi, because everything is royal in this. All the royal ingredients are added to this gravy and it turns really good. Now again I will cover it and let it fry properly. So we are adding all the ingredients step by step and everything is getting fried properly and all the ingredients will lend their aromatic taste. After around 10 minutes again I'll open the lid and here you can see again ghee is visible on the surface. Now I'll be adding milk to it. I have added a cup of milk. If you feel more is needed, you can add more or less. Then I'll be adding kasuri methi. Dry roast kasuri methi before adding, that gives a very good aroma. So here I'm adding kasuri methi or dry fenugreek leaves. Give it a good mix. Then the final ingredient is the paneer or cottage cheese that we are yet to add. I'll bring this mixture to boil. Here you can see I'll let it boil for a few minutes and again we have to keep medium flame only because everything will get cooked slowly and will leave its aroma and its taste. Now this gravy has been boiling for a few minutes. Now I'll be adding paneer cubes. Here you can see. I'll give it a good mix and I'll be adding now garam masala. Garam masala is the last ingredient we are adding to this gravy because adding garam masala at the end gives a very good flavor. Now I will cover it and let it cook for around 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes on low flame. I will cover it and let it cook for some time, but we'll keep checking in between till we get the perfect consistency of the gravy. The gravy is neither too thick nor too runny. It has a delectable taste and it's a perfect sunshine food for any season. Here the mouth-watering and flavorful Shahi Paneer is ready. It turns really good. Whether you are a paneer lover or not, you will definitely fall in love with this dish. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.